क्षणात्ते कामाक्षि भ्रमरसुषमा शिक्षणगुरुः कटाक्षव्याक्षेपो मम भवतु मोक्षाय विपदां नरीनर्तुः स्वैरं वचनलहरी निर्जरपुरी सरिद्वीची नीचीकरणपटुरास्ये मम सदा क्षणात् ते कामाक्षि E is short there. Bhramara Sushama Shikshana Guruhu is a compound word. Bhramara Bhas Mahapranah. Kataksha Vyakshepaha is a compound word. It becomes Kataksha Vyakshepo because of Sandhi. Mama Bhavatu Bhamahapranah Mokshaya Vipadam Kshanate Kamakshi Bhramara Sushama Shikshana Guruhu Kataksha Vyakshepo Mama Bhavatu Mokshaya Vipadam Narinartu Swairam Vachanalahari is a compound word. Swairam Vachanalahari because of Sandhya. Anuswara changes to the nasal of Va. Nirjarapuri Saridvichi Nichi Karana Patuhu is a compound word. Nirjarapuri Saridvichi Nichi Karana Patuhu. Visarga changes to Repha. Asye. So, Nirjarapuri Saridvichi Nichi Karana Paturasye because of Sandhi. Mama Sada. Narinartu Swairam Vachanalahari Nirjarapuri Saridvichi Nichi Karana Paturasye Mama Sada. Kshanate Kamakshi Bhramara Sushama Shikshana Guruhu Katakshavyakshepo mama bhavatu mokshaya vipadam Narinartu swairam vachanalahari nirjarapuri saridvichi nichi karanapaturasye mama sada Purastan me bhuyaf prashamana parastad bhavarujam pracharaste Kampatata vihriti sampadini drishoho imayachnyamuri kuru janani duri kuru tamaf paripakam matkam sapadi budhalokancha nayamam Purastat, the t in the end changes to n because of Sandhi, me. So, Purastan me because of Sandhi, bhuyaha bhas mahapranaha, visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Prashamana paraha is a compound word. Bhuyaf prashamana paraha because of Sandhi. Visarga changes to s there. Stat. Prashamana parastat because of Sandhi. The t in the end of stat changes to d because of Sandhi. Bhavarujam is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. So stat bhavarujam because of Sandhi. Pracharaha, visarga changes to s there, te, pracharaste because of Sandhi. Kampatata vihriti sampadini is a compound word. Drishoho, purastan me bhuyaf prashamana parastad bhavarujam pracharaste kampatata vihriti sampadini drishoho. Imam yachnyam Imayachnyam because of Sandhi Anuswara changes to the nasal of Ya. Uri Kuru is a compound word. Yachnyam Uri Kuru. Janani E is short there. Duri Kuru is a compound word. Tamaha visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Paripakam. Tamaf paripakam is a compound word. Matkam sapadi budhalokam is a compound word. Dhamaha pranaha cha. Budhalokancha because of Sandhi Anuswara changes to nya there. Naya mam. Imayachnyamuri kuru janani duri kuru tamaf paripakam matkam sapadi budhalokancha nayamam. Purastan me bhuyaf prashamana parastad bhavarujam Pracharaste kampa tata vihriti sampadini drishoho इमाञ्यात्स्न्यामूरीकुरु जननि दूरीकुरु तमः परीपाकं मत्कं सपदि बुधलोकं च नय माम्।